Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afra, and today we're going to show you about. I made a slide, not a Google slide, but a PPT presentation, which means it's a PowerPoint presentation, or you can just say PowerPoint. So here, I'm going to talk about two topics I know, and one topic that I have a doubt on that I don't know about. So before we get into it, here we have at home, you can do many stuff here. If we press home, you can create a new slide. Okay, like create a new slide, see? And here you can insert stock images and go onto your images, see? Challenge, and you can go. It's easy, it's fun. Okay, that's how it is. It's really fun to use. Okay, then you can create a new slide. Not only that, you can insert picture, screenshot, and you can draw something. Let's check here to draw and draw this, whatever. And then you can design something, like design your own thing over here. See? We're going back to this. And you can not only that, we can go to transitions. Why is this here? And you can do fade, morph, push like this. See? Animations, fade, and all of that slideshow, record, and so on. So we have to let's start from the beginning. Okay. So the first topic I know is data types. The data types that I know are strings. Okay, wait, let's use my laser point here. Strings is the first one, then integers, then floats, then boolean. So you know what are strings? They use double quotes. In example, print A. And then for integers, they're minus infinite to plus infinite. For floats, decimal numbers 4.5, 6.0, 0.6, or 0.6, I mean, sorry, 6.45. And booleans are true or false. For true, capital T. For false, capital F. Let's go on to our next. Oh, this is nothing. Okay, my bad. Yes, yeah. The second topic I know is operators. The operators I know are arithmetic operators, assignment, relation operators, logic operators, identity, and membership operators. Okay, so arithmetic operators are like plus, minus, a divide, and times. Are a quotient, double, divide, quotient, remainder, percentage, two multiple signs, so two stars, exponent. Then for assignment operators, which we have here, are like equals to, plus equals to, and minus equals to, and so on. For relation operators, we have equals equals, which means if they're equal, like Afner is equal to equal, Afner is the same thing as Afner, 5 kg is the same thing as 5 kg. That's what not assignment operators, but relation operators are. Then greater equals to less than equals to, and there's many more. The logical operators is where we use and or. Like, would you rather eating an apple or eating an orange? Or would you rather having a Ferrari that costs $10 million or having a 1 pound of a car? Let's just say $1 if you don't understand what that means. That's what a logical operator is. And which we use is like, I can say an example, you and me. Him, you and me, After and Enver. This guy and him. So identity operator is when we use is or is not. And these are all if conditions. We use call-ins, else, or elif. You guys already know that. If ladder, elif ladder, if ladder. And membership operators is in or in not. Okay, so like make vowels. If I in vowels, or you can say if I in not vowels. So see, PPT is actually really great. See, it's actually fun to do. So the third topic I have a doubt on is inheritance. The question about of inheritance is how to print the area for rectangle and square. Well, I already know that I showed you in my video, but what I mean is like the area of rectangle is this 40 centimeters square. The perimeter of rectangle is 50 centimeters, and same thing for square. That's my doubt I have on inheritance. I know that relationship by class A, but that's the only doubt I have on inheritance. And yeah, that's it. Okay, guys. So if you want to make your own PPT presentation, and you can just send me the link, I can watch it on the comments when you're done. I would go. I could sure you could sure do this if you want. Try it. It's really fun to use, and it's better than Google Slides. I can tell you that for sure. I guarantee 100%. And here you can add notes. Okay, whatever. So yeah. So thank you everyone for listening about how that I showed you about my PPT presentation, so PowerPoint presentation on two topics I know and one topic I have a doubt on. If you still don't understand how to do PowerPoint presentation, in my next video I can show you how to use it. I mean, how to use it and how to do it. And also not recording, I'm not there yet, but how to actually do it, okay? So thank everyone. I really hope you like it. And bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.